Welcome back. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can practice with the demo game. And the demo game will show you everything about the platform and how the real game works. So I'll go ahead and click on play demo game. Now, after clicking on demo game, I arrive on the demo page and you can read the information. This demo game reveals how to make 1000 Naira in 5 minutes. That is the secret about this game. You don't have to wait all day before you know whether you make money on the platform or not. You actually make money within 5 minutes, and that is the beauty of this platform. So play this demo game so that you can understand how the real game works. It is easy and fast, only 5 minutes. You will see your result immediately after the last question. If you have been familiar with the platform and you want to play the real game, you can just click on this link and go straight to play the real game. But for this, I want to show you how the demo game works. So I'll go ahead and enter my detail, my email, and I can just enter a random name, maybe Julius. Then I will go ahead and click on start game. As you can see here, this quiz must be completed in 5 minutes. So I will go ahead and click on start game. After clicking on start game, you can see the first question comes up. I can see the time and you can see we still have 4 minutes 58 seconds. So I'll go ahead and start the game and I will continue to answer the question until the last question where I will be able to see my result. So I will not be reading the questions. I will just go ahead and complete the game and you will see the result at the end of everything. So far I have answered 24 questions. This is the last question in the demo game. So I still have 1 minute left and I want to answer this question so that I will go ahead and view my result. That is the last question and I have completed everything in this demo game. So I will go ahead and click on view result. However, if you have some questions unanswered and you still have the time, you can just go ahead and use the previous button so that you'll be able to review the question and answer it. So I will just go ahead now and click on view result. So this pop-up comes up to notify you if you truly want to submit the quiz or not. So I want to go ahead and click on OK. Now after clicking on OK, I will allow the page to load and you will see the next thing. The result is out. You have completed demo game. You scored 24 correct out of 25 questions. You have collected 24 points. Your obtained grade is excellent performance. Congratulations, you win the game. This is how it works. You have seen in the demo game how it works, and that is the same way you will be able to see it when you play the real game. As you can see in the lower part here, you can see the time I used is 4 minutes 36 seconds. I still have about 25 seconds left of my time. If you want to play another game, you can just click on this link. It will take you to the page to play another game, and since you win the game, you can just go ahead and click here to redeem your winning. And once you click here to redeem your winning, automatically the platform will add 1000 Naira to your account, and then you can get the money paid directly to your bank account. But before we pay that money to your bank account, immediately you click the link, it takes you to WhatsApp where you can chat with one of the admins. So when you chat with one of the admins, it tells you, good day sir, I just completed the Erudite game and I won. You entered your username and you submit it. Then the admin will pick that username and go back to the platform and review your detail, and the money will be sent to your bank account. That is how you can go ahead and play the game and make money on the platform. This is obviously the easiest way you can make money on the internet. And another thing is that this is also going to improve your knowledge because this is educational game and you're gonna like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch out for the next video where I'll be showing you how to fund your wallet. Thanks again and bye for now.